Workshops for Warriors. It was a perfect opportunity to solve two of America's most pressing needs. One is the lack of advanced manufacturing talent in the United States of America, and the fact that veterans and wounded warriors weren't able to integrate successfully into civilian life again. My name is Hernan Luisi Prado. I'm a combat veteran, 15 years, tours in Afghanistan and Iraq. The only reason I got out of the Navy was for this. As a citizen of the nation, we were concerned about America's lack of talent, where 2.3 million advanced manufacturing jobs go unfilled due to lack of skilled labor. Take this pool of 1 million veterans that are transitioning over the next 5 years, this phenomenal pool of talent that have proven their service, and we're going to train them, certify them to nationally recognized standards, and place them into advanced manufacturing careers. We call this the school that America built. It really is a school that was built by the best American manufacturing organizations, some of the best minds around, that helped us figure out not only how to train veterans and wounded warriors, but what training to offer them, and most importantly, what credentials to offer at the end of it. Because we are a metric-driven organization, and I'm happy to say that since 2008, 100% of our graduates are retained in full-time jobs.
Sounded almost too good to be true to learn this kind of a career and then have 100% job placement on top of it. But over the time that I've been here, it's an absolute fact. I never had any professional training in anything before until the last year when I decided to come to Workshops for Warriors.
There's always that worry at the beginning of when you first get here, whether you're going to have what it takes to understand the knowledge and the material, but once you get in, once you find your own niche and your own comfortability, it's easy. You know, I'm taking CNC milling, CNC lathe, Mastercam, and SolidWorks.
We knew that for computer-aided design, SolidWorks was by far the international leader in computer-aided design. Mastercam was the leader in computer-aided manufacturing. Haas Automation makes the best CNC mills and lathes. And for laser, we teamed with Amada. For our sawing, we teamed with HemSaw. For machinery repair, we teamed with Snap-on, so that our graduates leave in 16 weeks with credentials that will be their passport for financial freedom for life.
Currently, I'm taking CNC mill, CNC lathe, Mastercam, and SolidWorks. Learning SolidWorks, the in-depth, the capabilities of it was just amazing. It kind of shocked me, you know, at first, because I didn't really understand the full potential to it, and I'm scratching the surface and just trying to dig deep more into that.
I had no idea I'd be doing 3D CAD modeling. I sat on the computer and looked at this, and was like, wow, this is something really cool, something that I could make whatever comes to my mind. And my brother-in-law works in machining. He sent me a blueprint, and I made it for him. And in 4 months, I've gained so much, experience and so much knowledge into it. I got my CSWA, the associate certification, and that was only 4 months. Give me 5 years, who knows what I can do with it.
You must have some type of credential in hand that has your name on it, that is nationally recognized. Because most machine shops in the United States are small machine shop owners, and if you're asking that small operation to give this young guy or gal their most prized possession, that $1 million mill or lathe, you want to make sure that they have a license to succeed. And with a SolidWorks CSWA or CSWP, or with a NIMS credential, you know that that graduate can operate your piece of equipment safely, most importantly, and profitably.
Now that I have over 30 nationally recognized certifications, I'm able to go anywhere in the nation and possibly even the world and get a well-paying job.
We've proven that Workshops for Warriors can work with veterans and wounded warriors. We've proven that it can work with widows. We've proven that it can work with children and at-risk youth. We've certified the youngest CSWA at 16 years old at our school. And we can bring this opportunity to communities throughout America to rebuild your community, your hometown.